Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got you this look with affordable and minimal products. So many of you guys actually requested me to do this video, so here I am going to be showing you. So yeah, now let's just start. I have already moisturized my face. I'm going to be starting up with my base. You can also use an gel moisturizer to act as a primer as well. So I'm using this NY concealer. Now the links to all the products is given in the description box below, and sale is going on, so you can grab yours at at minimal price. So this one actually retails for 115 rupees. Now it is being sold for 95 rupees, and this one is in shade number 7, which is the darkest shade, but in the side you could see 6 is the darkest shade, but trust me, 7 is the darkest shade, so you can definitely get it. Now this one actually matches my skin so well, and it also gives like this even skin tone kind of look, which I actually adore, and it is really awesome for daily day look. And if you have dry skin, this one is definitely a go-to one. If you have oily skin, just make sure to apply a gel-based moisturizer before. So next one is powdering. For powder, I'm using this Himalayas baby powder. Any baby powder I would highly recommend, because it does not turn gray on your skin. Also, it just merges with your foundation and gives like a beautiful matte finish. So next one is this NY Kajal. This actually retails for rupees 85, but now in offer they are being sold for 75 rupees. I'm using a brush to apply it on my eyebrows, because I don't have a eyebrow pencil to show you out here with this product range. So I'm just using a brush. Now this brush, you can actually find it in any of your local fancy store. Also, you can use any kind of like this lip filling brush or anything like that. If you don't have any brush with you, you can definitely apply this just with your Kajal directly, but not if not, then you can definitely use a separate eyebrow pencil if you have one already. So here I am going to be showing you another option. This one is from Stay Quickie. This one is also a nice kajal. It retails for rupees 199 rupees, and this one, when compared to NY I should say NY actually works best. And yeah, actually both stays on your eyelids for like 5 to 6 hours. And here I am just applying the kajal on my lash line, just and also smudging it just to give like the soft look. Now I'm going to line my upper lash line. I'm using the Stay Quickie matte kajal in black. Now this one is an amazing kajal. This retails for rupees 175, and honestly this one is a definite awesome product. I can definitely recommend you this. This stays on for a very long time. And to show you like an option, I'm using the bronze shade from the same range, and I'm just applying this on the top of the black one. This is completely optional. You don't really want to use it, you can just go with just the black one. It's completely optional, it's up to you. So the next one, for mascara, I'm just using my same eyeliner. You don't really have to get a new mascara for this one if you are a beginner. So you can definitely use your eyeliner and coat every hair on your lashes, and that just gives you like this natural defined eyelashes. And for lips, I'm using this NY lipstick in shade number 14. This actually retails for rupees 115, which again is in the affordable side, and the pigmentation is not too good. So what I'm doing here is like I'm going to be lining my lips with the same lipstick. If you don't have a lip liner, do not worry, you can use this trick. Just take your bobby pin or hairpin, scrap a little bit of the lipstick, and you can line your lips with this. This gives like this very neat, precise line, and honestly this one is an amazing trick. Like you can definitely try and see the change. So once after that is done, I'm again loading up some color onto my lips, and yeah, with that, to finish up, I'm just going to take a little bit of the lipstick on my finger, and I'm just going to work this on my cheek, just to give like this natural blush kind of looking thing onto my cheeks. Just bit of a life to my cheeks, that's it. It's completely optional. If you don't want, you don't really have to do. Then finally setting with some powder and completing the look. So that's it. This is off with minimal products and affordable products, and I hope you all like this look. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.